Welcome or welcome back to We Rock and Math with Miss Catherine, where math videos are made easy and faster for you. Today we're going to do some rapid practice problems involving how to find the GCF easily using the ladder method. If you haven't checked out the instructional video on how to find the GCF using the ladder method, you should do so. Just click the upper right corner. Once you have reviewed that video, you can come back to this rapid practice problems and work out these problems. I'm going to say the word begin in a minute here, and when I do, you can pause the video, take out a sheet of paper and a pencil, work out these problems on your own, and we will come back and check our answers together. You may begin now. All right, let's get into these 4 problems. We have our 3 steps written here on the side in case you need a refresher. The first problem, find the GCF between 48 and 78. First, we are going to write out the numbers. 48, 78. Draw our ladder sign. Think of a common factor between 48 and 78. Use a common factor of 2. 2 goes into 48. 24 times. 2 goes into 78. 39 times. We are not finished because there is more than one factor of 1 between 24 and 39, which would be factor 3. So we are going to draw another ladder sign. Put 3 on the outside. 3 goes into 24 8 times. 3 goes into 39 13 times. Now we are finally finished because the only common factor between 8 and 13 is 1. Last, we multiply the numbers outside of the ladder on the left. 2 times 3 times 3 equals 6. So our GCF between 48 and 78 is 6. Moving on to number 2. Find the GCF between 62 and 105. First, write the numbers down. 62, 105. Draw our ladder sign. Think of a common factor between 62 and 105, which seems to be 1. You can write these numbers down again. 1 goes into 62. Well, it's just 62. And 1 goes into 105. 105 times. You don't have to write this, but if it helps you to understand it more, you can. And you see our GCF is 1. So the greatest common factor between 62 and 105 is 1. Looking at number 3, find the GCF between 180 and 200. First, we're going to write down our numbers. 180, 200. Find the common factor between 180 and 200. Draw a ladder sign. We can use the common factor of 4. 4 goes into 180. You would divide. You can draw the long division sign here. 180 divide by 4. 4 goes into 18. 4 times 4 is 16. Make sure you put the subtraction sign. 8 minus 6 is 2. Bring down the 0. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So 4 goes into 180 45 times. And 4 goes into 200 50 times. We are still not finished here because we have another factor besides 1 that is in common, which is the factor 5. So we're going to draw our ladder sign. Put a 5 on the left side of the ladder. 5 goes into 45 9 times. 5 goes into 50 10 times. Last, we just multiply the numbers on the left side of the ladder. 4 times 5. Just write it out. 4 times 5, which equals 20. Looking at the very last problem, find the GCF between 130 and 400. Write down the numbers. 130, 400. Draw a ladder sign. Think of a common factor between 130 and 400. Use a common factor of 5. 5 goes into 130 26 times. You can divide here if you need to. So if we divide 130 by 5, 5 goes into 13 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. Put a subtraction sign. 3 minus 0, 3. Bring down the 0. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. That's where that 26 came from. 5 goes into 400 80 times. And looks like we have another common factor. Draw a ladder sign, which the common factor is 2. 2 goes into 26 13 times. 2 goes into 80 40 times. Now, we're just going to multiply the numbers outside on the left of the ladder, which is just 5 times 2, which equals 10. So the GCF between 130 and 400 is 10. That is the greatest common factor between those two numbers. So I hope you were able to get at least 3 out of the 4 problems correct. If you weren't, you can check your work, see where you made a mistake, and rework these problems so you can see if you can get that 3 out of 4. This video. I hope you thought this video was helpful in helping you use an easier and faster way to find the LCM. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos I upload. Until then, keep rocking at math, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, everyone.